Picture this. It's a quiet Tuesday morning. A recruiter, let's call her Sarah, sits at her desk, a steaming mug of coffee beside her laptop. On her screen, a digital folder with over 200 applications for a single project manager role. She opens the first CV. Her eyes dart across the page in a practiced, almost unconscious pattern. Top to bottom, left to right. She isn't reading, she's scanning. In less time than it takes to sip her coffee, she moves that CV into the maybe pile and is on to the next one. This plays out in offices around the world, every single day. You might believe a recruiter will read every single word after all the effort you poured into your CV. The hard truth is, they don't. It's not because they're lazy or don't care. The sheer volume of applications makes a deep dive into every document impossible. They've developed a highly efficient, ruthless filtering system to manage the flood. This initial screening separates hopefuls from contenders, and it happens in the blink of an eye. This initial review is famously known as the 6-second scan. Research shows recruiters spend just 6 to 7 seconds on a first judgment. In that brief window, they aren't absorbing your life story or nuanced career details. They are hunting for specific signals, keywords, titles, dates. Your CV isn't a biography. It's an advertisement that must make its pitch instantly. The purpose of your CV in this stage is not to get you the job. Its sole purpose is to get you past the 6-second scan and onto the next stage, a more thorough review, ideally an interview. With only 6 seconds to impress, what does a recruiter see? Their eyes follow an F pattern, scanning the top and left side of your resume for key data. First, your job title. Does it align with the role? Next, they check company names and employment dates for career progression and stability. This is why your work experience should be at the top, right after your contact info and summary. Keywords are also critical. Recruiters scan for skills from the job description, so weave those exact phrases into your bullet points. Finally, structure matters. Use short, impactful bullet points starting with a strong action verb and quantifying achievements. A clean, uncluttered layout makes it easy for them to see this critical information. Some mistakes can get your CV rejected in seconds. First, typos and grammatical errors signal a lack of attention to detail. Always proofread. Second, avoid unprofessional formatting like creative fonts or photos, unless you're a designer. Stick to the basics. Long paragraphs are a recruiter's nightmare and will be skipped. Also, address any unexplained gaps in your work history. A simple line like, "sabbatical for family care," builds trust. Finally, avoid vague job descriptions. Instead of listing duties, showcase your impact. Don't just say you helped with sales, quantify it, contributed to a 15% increase in quarterly sales. Specific, results-oriented language will move you to the yes pile. In CVs, simplicity is strategic. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to screen applications. Complex formatting can confuse these systems, getting your application discarded before a human sees it. To create an ATS-friendly CV, use a standard font like Arial and conventional headings like Work Experience. A single-column layout is safest. Crucially, don't embed key info in headers, footers, or graphics, as many systems can't read them. Aim for one page with less than 10 years experience. Finally, save as a PDF, but keep a DocX version handy. You don't need a full CV overhaul. A few quick, high-impact fixes can make your document far more effective in that crucial 6-second window. First, add a professional headline below your name. This one-sentence summary immediately tells recruiters who you are and what you offer. Next, tailor your CV by swapping generic phrases for keywords from the job description. This shows you've read it carefully. Also, quantify your accomplishments. Add numbers, percentages, dollar amounts to provide concrete proof of your impact. Finally, improve readability. Break dense paragraphs into concise bullet points. And the non-negotiable step, Run a spell check, then ask a friend for a quick read. A fresh pair of eyes always helps. The landscape of hiring is constantly evolving. Two major forces are reshaping it: artificial intelligence, skills-based hiring. Recruiters now use AI-powered tools, not just to scan CVs, but to analyze them, rank candidates, and even suggest the best fit. Your CV must be optimized for humans and for machines. Be explicit about your capabilities and results. A dedicated skills section is essential. Place it near the top, right after your professional summary. Divide it into logical categories: technical skills, software, soft skills or core competencies. List specific, relevant abilities. Instead of communication, use more specific entries like public speaking, client presentations, cross-functional collaboration. That creates a quick, scannable checklist for AI and recruiters. Skills now matter more than employer or degree. Skills-based or functional CVs emphasize abilities over chronology. You can still use a reverse chronological CV, but blend in skills-based elements. Group bullet points under skill-based subheadings within each job: project management, team leadership, data analysis. Don't let AI write your entire CV for you. Use AI to suggest strong action verbs. Use AI to identify keywords from a job description. Use AI to rephrase bullet points for impact, but keep your unique voice and real experiences. Recruiters can spot a generic, AI-generated document. Use AI as a co-pilot, not an autopilot. The most powerful CVs blend data-driven optimization with genuine human storytelling. We've covered a lot of ground: the psychology of the 6-second scan, the technicalities of ATS optimization. It might feel overwhelming, but remember that you don't have to perfect everything at once. The journey from a CV that gets ignored to one that lands you an interview is built on small, incremental improvements. Each tweak you make, a clearer title, a quantified result, a stronger summary, is a step in the right direction. These minor adjustments can dramatically change the outcome, turning silence into callbacks. The ultimate goal is to make it incredibly easy for a busy recruiter to say yes to you. Your CV should be a clear, concise, and compelling argument for why you are the solution to their problem. It should anticipate their questions and provide immediate answers. By focusing on clarity, relevance, and impact, you remove the friction from the hiring process. You are not just presenting your history, you are making a business case for yourself, and you are doing it in a format that respects the recruiter's time and method of working. Remember that your tone on the page should be professional, confident, and direct. Avoid industry jargon unless it is explicitly mentioned in the job description, and always be honest. Recruiters will absolutely verify your claims during the interview process, so be prepared to speak in detail about every achievement you've listed. Authenticity is key. So let's end with one simple, actionable task. Don't just close this article and move on. Open your CV right now. Look only at the top half of the first page, the section that will determine your fate in those first 6 seconds. Is your professional headline clear and compelling? Is your most recent and relevant job title easy to spot? Does it immediately signal a match for the kind of role you want? If the answer is no, or even maybe, change one thing. Update your headline, bold your title, add a key achievement. That one small change could be the one that gets your CV the second look it deserves. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If this helped, tap like, drop your questions or tips in the comments, and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications to stay up to date. See you in the next one.